Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well and happy weekend. This is our weekly analysis for the markets I always trade, and I want to start with US100. If you can remember, during the week, I have predicted and I told you that when there is kind of, sharp, bearish trend, and when we have correction, we could have another, bearish trend, but we had bearish and we had a break up from the bottom side of the black channel, but I guess it is still continues, and I think it is going to continue to maybe next week, and it can see the same size from this place. Let me tell you exactly what I said. We had something like this, and now at the moment of speaking, we can have something like this in the next week, and the next support could be the bottom line of the channel. But this is the first possibility. The other possibility could be correction and other pullbacks, maybe somehow other pullback to this zone, and the rest of the trend toward the midline of the channel one more time, and the bottom line of the channel. Anyway, but it was supported here because, as you can see, this is the midline of the channel. If you want to I don't know, have good trades, you can I don't know, maybe update your chart like me and have the same lines, same supports and resistance. All right, we are going to talk about US30, which is important. For US30, we had the same situation. We didn't have channel, and what we had was a kind of wedge, and I said it might be broken, and we might see these zones. First zone is 29,500, 29, then 28,500. But since it was, the I don't know, how can I say, it was the bottom line of the channel. It can take longer time to be able to break all these supports, because there are potential buyers and market makers are here to make the market parallel based on what they think is true. All right, that's it and nothing else for now. And for US30, at the moment of speaking, it was supported, and it couldn't break the line of the channel, and we can still be hopeful it gets bullish and see the midline of the channel for the next week. Something surprising happened for myself. For me myself, it was about gold. I was watching this market, and I have realized that I have predicted and I have told you everything about gold. And what you see, it was supported from 1785, and now what you can see is something bullish. What you see in this clip, in this video, is something bullish, but I told you this zone. I really predicted this zone for my subscribers, and who were with me could make good profit. But if it wants to be bullish like this, first it needs to pull back to this zone, 1800, and then it can go toward 1825. It is the next target it can have. That's it, nothing else. And about Bitcoin, it is waiting, for countries and the central bank's decisions. But at the moment of speaking, Bitcoin was, you know, bearish like this, and we had these supports and resistance for it. We don't need this one. I can delete it, and maybe this one. Okay, this one could be here, no problem. But at the moment of speaking, it has made something like a wedge or triangle, and I don't know. At the moment, it could, have, uh, it could make another, parallel line. Sorry. It could make a channel like this, and then we will update it in our daily analysis. But at the moment of speaking, what you can see is the trend line it has made. Since it's weekend, I guess it will be bullish for 1 or 2 days, and I hope the market makers do not want to push it toward the lower numbers. But what I can think and what I can see for the weekend, Bitcoin can see these zones one more time, maybe 20 or 21 for end of today or maybe tomorrow. And the rest of the trend would be, would depend on the breakout of these two lines. I told you, if we have breakout from this side, the Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is not supported for 17,000, I told you that it can see the next zone, which is 13,000 and then 10,000. I haven't determined it yet, but if it gets bearish, I can let you know in my daily analysis. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to not to miss these analysis. You can share these videos with your friends and like if you wish. Have a great time.